Hey everyone, here we are, we're here. It's time to write some code. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, this music you're listening to is, belongs to my best friend. Yeah, you might have heard of him. His name's Blind. Blind. We're best buds. I miss you, bro. It's been a while. It's coming up on 2 years. Maybe I should come down to Vegas sometime. But today we are actually working on the download rules for collector. Yeah. So when I create a new rule, I want it to execute an API that will clean up all the downloads related to that rule. But I think I'll make a button here, so it'll just go through all the rules. I don't know, like, the thing is like, I don't want to like accidentally delete a bunch of content because I typed in a rule. Oops, this rule affects X amount of downloads that already exist. So I think I'll have a button here that says clean downloads, clean up downloads, and that'll allow me to show a new modal that'll display information about X amount of downloads that will be wiped with a confirmation. Are you sure you want to do this? Clean up downloads or clean up. I think I'll just make it say clean up. So yeah, we need a little padding on the right here. There we go. Clean up, new rule. So clean up, I think that'll be, I don't know. Let's check our theme. Yeah, so this theme is a tapestry theme, and tapestry is a CSS UI framework that I built. It's actually written in less, so this is a less file that what default.less. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, so I basically I reference the Tapestry framework and yeah, the Tapestry theme.less. Don't know why they're separate, but whatever. And then this internal theme that is actually right here. This theme you can find inside of Sabre under the themes, like content/themes folder. Right, it's not going to be in the www root, that's a public folder, but in content, I mean under themes, in the root, yeah, it's in the root here, so I need to fix that. It is under the /content folder, but I don't want to show that. I just want to say slash. So, themes, and then default.less. Right, that's this here. So I have a bunch of buttons. I could use special. So yeah. I need to change the way that looks, but that's cool. Clean up. When I clean up, what happens? Well, let's figure that out. I'm just gonna do show. There we go. Clean up downloads. Temp. I know what I'll do. I'll do a post with this inside. Yeah, we'll do a response here. Rule ID? No, it's gonna be domain ID. There we go. Back button is true, and this will be render clean up downloads. Download rules. All right. Give me a second here. Let's see. First, we're going to check our security. And then we're going to return view.render. Download rules. Cleanup.html. Give me a second here. So cleanup.html should probably be over here. One more second. Yeah. All right, so what are we doing? Let's see. Definitely trying to make this button work. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just add I don't know, an H5 there, because here I'm gonna create a new pop-up with a title. So clean up downloads. Okay. For the domain, and then domain. After that, let's just do let's see. What should it say? X amount of articles will be removed from the database. And then articles list. Or just articles. And that'll be an accordion inside of a pop-up window. The next one will be total downloads. All right. All right, what are we doing now? Let's save this. So either way, it's going to delete both the downloads and the articles, no matter what. The only difference between the two rankings, right, do not download and get links only, the only difference is that one will collect links from the page, so it has to download the page, collect all the links, and then it's just going to dump it. And I think at that point, it should also delete the download permanently. Let me think. Yeah, it definitely needs to delete the download. So where is it saving the downloads? Let me think here. So, all right, so get links only, right? What that means is it's going to save the download into the download queue in the database at that point. And then it's going to be downloaded, right? So the very first thing I do after I check my queue is I see if it's going to be a download only. If for some reason this download made it into the queue and fails fails this first check where it's not even supposed to download it, then it'll just skip this item, go to the next one. So, which means I'll need to delete this here too. So, give me a second here. I'm gonna see if I can delete downloads. Alright. Let's just copy that one. I'm going to create a new stored procedure here. Yeah, we need to keep our database clean. So I don't have many, if any, delete store procedures in the database because you know, I might have like a delete user, but that's about it. Okay. Delete from where, okay, and delete also from downloads. Pretty sure, yeah, and there's an ID in downloads. Let's see if it just transfers the ID over. Let's find out. Do we have a sequence for downloads? We have one for download queue, but not for downloads. So my guess is download update. Huh. What? Wait, what? Hold on. How am I even using the downloads table? I thought for sure that I moved downloads. Hold on. Let's see if there's any missing files. What? Oh, maybe it's under here when I add an article. Yeah, I delete from download queue after I insert. And what's ID? Oh, yeah, select star from download queue. So downloads and download queue has to be identical or else it just doesn't work. Alright, so I do need to delete from downloads. That's all I was trying to figure out. Download, delete. Goodbye, download. Okay. If it's going to delete from the download, it also has to delete the article. So let's just also see if we can delete an article. Hold on. Please tell me if there's an article ID in downloads. Okay, let's find out. There is no article ID in downloads. Oh my god. Does that mean that I don't actually have a link between my download and my article? I do, it's the URL. Watch. Article. URL. Boom, there it is. Okay. Alright, let's see here. First, I want to declare URL as an inbar car. 250. Then I want to select case when. Hold on, from download queue. Actually, no. I'm just gonna do. Yeah, I'm just gonna do URL. Where QID equals QID. Is it? Hold on. Let me think about this. Huh. I don't really care. Like, my concern is like when I create a rule and now there's 10 million downloads and articles that need to be wiped. Shouldn't I just have a store procedure that'll wipe all of them based on the download rule? Right? So let's just let's see here. What am I doing? Different domains. This. Downloads. Yeah. It's not going to be download clean. It's going to be downloads clean. So I'll do download clean first, or download delete, and then and the other one I'm just gonna put under domains. I'm gonna say domain clean downloads. And then rule ID will be the input. So article ID from downloads. No, where URL equals oh, okay, yeah, sure, why not? Let's create our download rule, or clean downloads. This is going to be a pretty complicated store procedure. Let's see here. URL. Title. What am I doing? And what else am I doing? Let's see, 64 each. Okay. All right, so now we have a temporary table where we're going to store all of our rules. So now we have to declare a cursor. So, and then we set our cursor as a cursor, come on, for our select statement. So fetch next from cursor into URL, title, and summary. next, from cursor, sorry. And then while fetch status is 0. Okay. Okay, so select clean down. And we're gonna also have to declare another table called results. I don't know what else to call it. This table will be just ID, I guess. Let's see. It's QID. Yeah. Hold on. This is where it gets complicated. Where what? Well, let's also add our domain ID here. Hold on. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is for one rule, so I don't even need rules. I just need yeah, that. And the results will be yeah. Okay, so where let's see here. Jordan has some pretty good music that he's made. My friend Blind. Let's see here. Here we go. That's pretty cool. All right, so what are we doing? So the cleanup. Where URL like URL. Well, oops. Let's see, domain ID int. You know what? Are you kidding me? I don't need any of this. I don't need that. I don't need any of that. There. I forgot I don't use spaces in SQL. Maybe I do though. I don't know. Maybe I do. Anyway. I don't need that either. So I can delete from download queue. Where QID in, and there it is. Delete, okay. And then do the same thing in downloads. But before we do that, this is domain ID. Yeah. Please tell me it's an actual, okay. Is it though? Yeah, it is, okay. So I'm getting domain ID, why? Where domain ID equals domain ID and, there we go. Then, all right, and then delete article and all related data. Delete articles. Select article ID into articles from articles where domain ID equals domain ID. And or title, when title is greater than 0, and title like title. That looks about right. I'm actually going to turn that into a stored procedure too. So under domains, oops. Sorry, I'm lost in thought. Yo, what's up? Alejandro said hi. That's cool. What's up, guys? Let's see. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to separate this into its own stored procedure. Which means I'm gonna have to just copy and paste. And then download a rule. Let's see, get articles. Get articles and downloads. So let me see here. Hi. Let's get a rule ID going on here. And then copy this stuff to there. So I'll get article IDs based on rule. Let's just get articles. Okay. Crap. I guess it doesn't really matter. I'll just do it again. Get articles. And then let's paste it. Rename it to get downloads. What? That's weird. Hold on. Oh no. This is get list? Are you kidding me? Get articles. There. And where's my get list? There we go. Get list looks fine. Get articles looks fine. Let's get downloads. Ooh. All right, so what am I doing? Let's see. Download rules? No. Well, yeah, I need download rules, but from download queue, we're gonna get QID where, let's see, yeah, where domain ID equals that and URL equals that. Okay. We don't have title and subject in the download, only in the articles. So there we go. Okay, and I can actually do that. And then I'll use it here. I have to declare a table of articles. And then put ID in, and then insert into articles, execute rule, yeah, rule ID equals rule ID. And then I can select star from select count, no, select article ID, title, from article. There we go. And then, hold on. Yeah. Delete. I'm actually going to, I'm actually gonna duplicate this. Where is it? Clean downloads. Because I want to be able to display information about cleaning downloads for a specific domain first. So I'm going to get clean downloads first. Or get downloads to clean. Yeah. There we go. And we're going to select all the articles. Or we're going to actually select the top 10. And then also, but before we do that, select count star from articles. Yeah. So, okay, reader number 1, reader number 2 will be, so number 1 is count of all affected articles, 2 will be details about top 10 affected articles, and then select count star from downloads. Yeah, let's call that total. Let's call this total as well. Now from downloads, where QID, and then there we go. So download Q. Wait a minute. What? Hold on. There. All right, let's do this. Cross apply. Select A dot total plus B dot total as total from A total plus B total. Let's just do A and B. Wait. Would it be? I don't think it would be cross apply. It would be like union. So, okay. Yeah. There we go. And there it is. So this will be number 3. Total affected downloads from download queue and download archive. So first, I'm gonna show the user, all right, here are the total amount of articles that'll be affected. And here is a list of the top 10 articles that'll be affected. And then here's a total count of downloads that'll be deleted. So I'm going to show those 3 things to the user. And if they approve, then we'll go on to the next one, which is delete. Wait, get article? No. What is this one? Get downloads. Download rule, get downloads. Get downloads. What? Oh, it's not get downloads here, it's get articles. What is URL? I see. So I guess I don't need that one. Yeah. I'll just I'm just gonna leave it. So I have get downloads to clean. And then I have clean downloads. All right, those 2 look good. What about huh? Okay. Delete from articles or article ID and select star. Get downloads? No, it's get articles. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. And then invalid column name B underscore total. Unional. Cross apply. Hiya. Here we go. B dot total as B total. I think that'll work. What? Oh, yeah. Aggregate function. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Declare total a total as an int and b total int. Alright. So first we'll just do this. Much easier. Oh my god. Jeez. Come on. There we go. Total affected downloads from download queue and download archive. That looks good to me. Now in the queue, sorry, in my query system, I think I'm gonna go to domains, download rules, and no, domain, and let's call this clean download. And the clean download will have total articles, total downloads, and then, oh my god, get clean downloads. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a using. And we're gonna do, what is it? Domain get clean downloads, maybe? Oops. Let's see. Get downloads to clean. Oops. Yeah, we're gonna call this clean. Go. Second thing we're going to do is articles equals, yeah. There. Nice. That wasn't too hard, right? And this is how I use Dapper. Like, Dapper is just so awesome. I'll be right back. It's been an hour and a half almost. I'm gonna stretch a little bit, maybe get something to snack on.
want up in our hole. Pull up on the block, all the girl them fi roll. Real Rasta man, she want up in our soul. You know how the thing go. Real bad man, she want up in our hole. Pull up on the block, all the girl them fi roll. Real Rasta man, she want up in our soul. Now they know a war with we. Them a see we and a feel of this cinnamon tree. Now they know a war with we. Them a see we and a feel of this cinnamon tree. Now they know a war with we. Them a see we and a feel of this cinnamon tree. Now
Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild. Put up no hands if you're about to go wild.
You know how the team go. Real bad man, she want up in now. Pull up on the block, call it girl, let it go. Real Rasta man, she want up in our soul. You know how the team go. Real bad man, she want up in now. Pull up on the block, call it girl, let it go. Real Rasta man, she want up in our soul. we are be a serial killer. Them can't find me now, the case closed. Them not have no clothes, evidence it with hole. I'm getting worse, getting out of control. Me a some boy killer, and that's how we roll. Years it gone by, things are on for we come to tell you about the afters I never been told. Send out a challenge, no come make we war. You ready for back up the push you put my Instacast tonight? You can make your maker from round on. We that's how fi murder, that's how fi dead. And my son I take up white head after we squeeze two up. The fascist start me, from we drop the killer lyric. They back up and fed and now ramping thick. When I sound I fi dead.
Yo, ready, so we're ready for the backing now. What you see, I come with warfare, that is chemical. We would laugh at joke, but do what they were simple. But certain things we take personal. Why? Ready, so we're ready for the backing now. What you see, I come with warfare, that is chemical. We would laugh at joke, but do what they were simple. But certain things we take personal. Them must check, say we are free, them must check, say we are far. Come up now, me face, so them ready for the war. Pull it on a bunk, cause I got team bazaar. Like my color, you know what time for it. Bring war to the table just like Escobar. Cooking out fools like one big cigar. I can see it on the place, why who you think you are? I say you're not fuck around, cause we will take this far.
Oh, I'm back. Oh, look, nobody's watching. Isn't that wonderful? Like, there's millions of people on YouTube, and nobody's watching. Oh, yeah. Check out this album right here. It's called Submerged 2. Ooh, that was a loud sound. It's 7:30, I'm writing code. Get downloads to clean. Now we have to do things. There's so many things to do. Here's our service. Render, cleanup, downloads. Okay. And then bar clean equals query dot domains dot rule ID. Oh my god, I just realized something. It's not rule ID, it's domain ID. Fine. Now I gotta change all my code Downloads to clean. Alright, so now. Yeah, this is going to be a domain ID. We don't need domain ID anymore. And now we're gonna need. Actually, no, we won't. Wow. I can't even use that. Alright, well, then I'll just copy it. Let me think about this. Let me think about this. Yeah. We're gonna just join download rules. Where a dot domain equals domain on r dot domain ID equals a dot domain ID. Let's just connect everything together. Right, distinct article ID. Let's see, r.url. There we go. So I guess all I have to do is that, really. Details about top 10 affected articles. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, this is going to be complicated. Yeah. So I have to do a subquery here. Select, let's see, QID from, and then, oop. Yeah. There we go. And we're gonna have to do that here too. Actually, that's just for downloads. In fact, all right, let's see here. Count star from that and then that. What is A? Oh, is it DQ? Yeah, it's D.URL. Okay. Huh. Well, let's execute the stored procedure. But Mark, how do we do that? Well, we go over here and create a new query. And let's just close that. Let's figure out what our domain ID is for botany. Huh. Oh yeah, we could do this. S.domain. Domain ID is 5811. Oops. Rule ID? No, we're not. What? Rule ID. Yeah. I forgot I have to delete all this. This is useless. There we go. Ooh, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, let's do this. Select top 100 star from articles where domain ID equals boop. Let's see what we got. Title. Archives. It's all just archives. Come on. Is it gonna build? No? It's just gonna sit there? Okay. New rule. URL match archives. Is it archives? No, it's category. Category / news / yeah. Okay. Do not download. Collect links only. Boop. Oh. Damn it. 2 C's because my keyboard is all broken. Let's do / category. There we go. Now, when we execute this, let's see what happens. Oh, 0 still? Man, I don't believe that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. These have to be distinct so I can select count star from a distinct list of downloads. Why is it like, why? Why? Okay, let's do this. Select star from download rules where domain ID equals 5811. Okay. Select star from articles where domain ID equals 5811 and title like, oh, I need the % signs. Yeah, like that. I'll watch. 0? No, it's not title, it's URL. Foolish human. There you go. Alright, so now there. How's that? Oh, come on. That looks good. That looks really good. Let's try it again. That's what I want to see. Yeah, see, we don't need any of those stupid web pages. Archives. It's all archives. I think I might I might make the domain details instead of like a modal. No, let's keep it as a modal, but let's make it bigger. Because I want to have like a list of articles here that I can view. So I can just focus on, focus on setting up my domain. So if I click cleanup, let's see here, 17 total, but 25 downloads. Interesting. 25 that I'm gonna delete. Right, so what am I gonna do now to clean? Oh, what? Oh. Interesting. Let's see. I guess I could turn these into like store procedures. No, I'm just gonna copy this into from get downloads to clean into clean downloads, and this is gonna be domain ID. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Right. Let's just delete from articles where article ID equal is in, select article ID from articles. Then delete all download queue and download archive, all associated download queue, download archive records. Delete from download queue where QID in boop and there you go. Delete all associated articles, blah blah blah. let's connect real quick. Wait a minute, isn't there a delete article remove? Yeah. Article ID, okay. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Alright. Because I'm deleting a group of articles. Come on. There. Okay. That's a scary store procedure. Yeah, this one does serious damage to the database. So let's see. Yeah, let's just click on that. All right, 17 and 25. Should I delete them? I think I shall. Let's just call this one last time. All right, 17 and 25. Here we go. 17 and 25 at the bottom there. When you add the two. Cool, so it deleted the ones that I wanted it to delete. And so now if I execute this, it'll show it with 0. Exactly what I want. Cool. Now I can implement the UI. Oh yeah, another thing that I need to do is get a list of domains. I mean a list of articles that it's going to delete. Like all the articles. So I can't just show top 10. I have to delete the... Let's see how we store our files. Right, so we have our content collector articles. So that's based off of the domain, right? Domain name, and then ID, article ID. So what I need is the URL for the article. And I can't just do top 10, I have to do all of them. In fact, I'm only gonna do, okay, top 10. So if top 10, then yeah. Then I'll get the top 10. If not, I'll get all of them. So the first one is for display purposes, right? When I query this store procedure, the first time is just to show it to the user. But once they click that clean button the second time, or the confirm button, right? It's going to basically call this function or this store procedure a second time, get a list of all the articles, and delete their JSON file from disk. We won't be having none of that. I'm not gonna just have a database full of dirty web pages. Like, there's so many, like this one / video. Like, no, we're deleting that. I mean, and the same thing with, like, if it's a URL without a path, we're not saving it. Just not going to save it. Unless, let me think about that. Maybe I should make that like a setting for the domain itself, right? So like I think I need to make it more complex. Like, it needs to be it needs to be more complicated, like not just URL title, summary, and type or rule. But maybe, you know what? No. How about this? We're gonna change rule to an int so that we can create all sorts of different kinds of rules. Like, if there's no path, if it's an empty path. No, I'm gonna have to How about this? I will create a no, I can't do that. It's complicated, but once I get this working, totally working, it's gonna be a very clean system. Because, like, page not found, really? I should be able to click on this and bring up the domain settings somewhere. Like, domain should be here, and I click on the domain and pop-up modal that allows me to modify the domain. Let me think about this for a little bit. All right, let's see here. Sorry, I had to configure my stream with some tags. And I'm thinking about how I want my domain to work. Right, so all right, top 10 is going to be a bit, yeah. Let me think about this, because page not found. Definitely don't want that to happen. Don't want to download that. Subscribe, yeah, not having any of that. And sitemap, no. And page not found, yeah, we're getting rid of all of those. And slash author, don't care. Don't care about the authors. And slash category, don't care about any of that either. So there's like a lot. Genres, yeah, don't care about that. So you see what's going on here? Like, eventually I'm gonna have to prune each domain, all of the results for those domains, to make sure that each domain is collecting actual articles instead of, a bunch of shit. And like, see this one, videos, like maybe I don't want videos. Maybe I don't want anything to do with it, because look at this. 0 word count. Okay, 3,000 elements. Let's just delete the cache file and re-download it. This song, this is like one of his most famous songs. Let's see. One of his most famous remixes. Yeah, see, it's still 3,000 elements, 0 words. So, yeah, I don't want any slash video. So, okay, I know what I'm gonna do right now. First, before I do anything, I'm going into my query under domain. Domains. And domains to clean. Top 10. Equals true. Let's make it equal false. All right. Come on, really? And what is it getting again? Domain downloads to clean. All right. Get downloads to clean. Where did it go? Oops, there we go. Get downloads to clean. Okay. Right. Now, yeah, there's a top 10. I'm not using it anywhere. Okay, so let's move on to the articles list. Score, words, sentences, important words, years. My friend's calling me. Hold on. Give me a second. Hello? I'm streaming on the internet. Well, remember how I told you I was just gonna stream everything? So I'm writing code. So I'm streaming on YouTube. But if you want to play some Hunt, I can stream some Hunt. All right, man. I'll see you. Give me like 10 minutes. All right, dude. Peace. You hear that? I got 10 minutes. All right. So what I really want to do is just show a link to the domain, right? So score. Okay, fine. Whatever. File size. Let's put show dom. You know what? Every single thing is gonna have a domain, so whatever. But yeah, we should probably do show domain anyway, just in case. Just in case we don't want to. And we'll have a let's see here. A tag. And then on click will equal s.domain .details .show and then domain. We don't need that comma though. I'm gonna change this song. Where is it? Let's go with Epica. Epica. No, let's come on. Where's the good stuff? Psychic is pretty good. It is pretty good, but let's do Cyrus instead. I think Cyrus is supposed to be super badass. And so is there it is, elevation isolation. We're gonna just start with that. Yeah, this is what I wanted to play. I think this is Blind's best album. So if you're listening, Jordan, best album right here. Every song on this album is a hit. Let's just turn it up while we write code for 10 minutes. Here we go. Okay. All right, so now we're going to show the list of articles. See, it's so good. That looks like it'll work. Next thing we got to do is add the domain component to our page, right? So let's just go in here, add collector domain. We're gonna add that to the top. There we go. And let's see. Oh, let's see if that works. Nope. Let's refresh. And there it is. So if I type in wired, for example, and I'm like, oh, wired videos, yeah, we need to do a new URL match, So yeah, slash video slash do not download. Well, collect links only, okay? There. Alright, get links only and do not download. Alright, anything else? Wait a minute. Not found? Is there a not found? And wasn't there like a category thing? Yeah. Page not found. Where is it? Video subscribe. See, that's one we don't want, so let's add subscribe. Yep. Alright, what else? Sitemap? We definitely don't want the sitemap. We'll collect links from the sitemap, but yeah. Story author. We don't want author. We'll collect links. Maybe there's links to the author websites. Author. Category. We don't want category, so. We'll copy links, but that's it. So, see what we're doing now? We're telling collector what to download and what to ignore. Because there are, patterns on websites. Oh, genres? Don't want genres. Even if it's not for videos, we just don't want genres. What else? Video. All right. I'll say it's safe to say that we can finally show the cleanup. Okay, so let's see if this will render cleanup downloads. Give me a second here. QID. Oh, this is such a good song. Render cleanup downloads. Okay. Clean equals blah blah blah. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. View domain. Domain equals let's get domain equals query.domain get info for domain ID. Are you kidding me? I need a get by ID. So let's do this. Get by ID. All right. Let's go to our SQL here. Domain, get by ID. So we'll just copy the get list, or sorry, get info. Yeah, I could put this album on loop for the rest of my life. think there is a domain. I don't know. Let's see. Is there a domain ID? Yeah. Whitelist domains. Let's see if it exists. Come on, come on. Nope, it's just domain. Alright. From d.domain. Or d.domain ID equals domain ID. Alright, yeah, that looks good to me. Where is it? By ID. Yep, that looks good. Get by ID, domain ID. Alright, this would be domain.domain. Let's just rename that. There. What else? View total articles equals clean. Come on. Dot total articles dot toString. We'll do the same thing for total downloads. And then finally we'll do view article and then download rule cleanup dash article, and then for each article in clean.articles we will clear our article view, and then now we got to create our article. Did we get by ID? Did we execute that? Pretty sure I did, but I'm just gonna make sure. Okay. Let's see. Now we have to generate the HTML file, right? So let's get out of SQL. Hold on. Sorry. Let's get out of SQL and what is this? Under domain. No, this is download rules. So this is under views. Download. We have cleanup, and then what is this? Yeah, you know what? I'll just copy that. Oops, what did I do? I don't know what I did. Oh, I said view in browser. Okay. Let's just paste cleanup. I don't even care. Clean up article. Alright, and then list item. I'm just going to copy list item into clean up article. Row hover. Okay. That's all we really need. And then text. That's all we really need. And that we're going to make that title. That's about it. Cool. So view article. Title equals article dot title. And then the URL I'm going to use for figuring out the domain and then deleting the physical JSON file. So, because I'm over explaining things, sorry. Now we need a HTML string builder. Oh, come on. You were showing it to me just a second ago. There you go. Yeah. Come on. There we go. And then review articles equals html.toString. Oops. There we go. That should do it. Let's click the cleanup button, see what happens. Actually, I have to render my vendor resources. Refresh the page. Go to Wired. Click that. Downloads. Cleanup. Come on now. Oh, procedure. Get downloads to clean has too many arguments specified. Alright, let's see what we got here. Domain ID and top 10, right? Okay, so let's get our SQL out here. Get downloads to clean. Yeah, we have two. Two arguments. Alright, now let's see if this works. Yeah, this song is dope. Ready? There it is. Oh my god, I forgot. It's like 931 articles. Yeah, see, they're all videos and shit. And all these page not founds. Like, that's a lot of articles I can delete. A lot of stuff I can clean up that I'll never have to download again from that website. It'll probably save me thousands and thousands and thousands of links or articles that I will never have a need to download. And as you can see here, all these URL ones, that's, well, at least this one that says do not download, that means it'll never ever save it in the download queue. It'll just ignore that forever. Because it's a combination of URL and do not download. See, if I use title do not download, well, that means I'll have to download it and then read the title and then delete it from the download queue. Anyway, it's been 10 minutes. I gotta go. It was nice having you guys. I'm gonna go play some Hunt Showdown on Twitch. Unknown Racer X. You can find me on Twitch. Watch me play some Hunt Showdown. Peace. Peace. Oh, I guess I gotta click more than one button to end a stream, so. Peace.